In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We'll start by preparing the footage. Cinema 4D works best with image sequences for animated backgrounds, so take your video and export it as a sequence of still images like PNGs or JPEGs. Keep all the frames in a single folder, named in order with consistent numbering so the software can read them in the correct sequence. Make sure you know the frame rate of your original clip, because you'll want your Cinema 4D project to match that for accurate timing. Back in Cinema 4D, create a new material. Open the material and, in the color channel, load the first image from your sequence. Cinema 4D should automatically detect the entire sequence based on the numbered file names. If it doesn't, look for the sequence or animation options in the texture settings and confirm that it's reading all frames. While you're here, switch off any unwanted reflectance or specular so the background displays cleanly without lighting or shading influencing it. To actually see the animation play in the viewport, go to the Materials Editor settings and enable Animate Preview. This tells Cinema 4D to update the texture over time as you scrub or play the timeline. If the preview seems slow, consider lowering the texture preview size temporarily to keep your workflow responsive. Now apply the material to a background. The simplest option is a background object. Add one, then drag the material onto it. A background object always fills the camera view, which makes it perfect for full-frame backdrops and avoids perspective distortions. If you prefer more control in 3D space, use a plane instead. Create a plane, set its proportions to match your footage's aspect ratio, and position it in front of the camera. In the Texture tag, use frontal mapping to keep the image flat to the view, and scale the plane so it fills the frame. For either method, you may want to disable shadows and reflections to keep the background clean. Scrub the timeline or press play. If the image isn't animating, double-check that Animate Preview is enabled in the Materials Editor settings and that the image sequence is properly detected. Also, make sure your project frame rate matches your source footage so the timing lines up. That's it. You've converted a video to an image sequence, created a material from it, assigned it to a background object or plane, and enabled Animated Preview so you can see it in action while you work.